welcome back to my channel and for another video. Thank you for my returning subscribers for returning, and hello if you're new here, my name is Carrot Beauty, and in today's video I am going to be doing a glossy box video. This is March's glossy box. I recently signed up to GlossyBox for 12 months for £11.85 or £11.95 for 12 months, and what you get in here is 5 products worth £85. You can get like big full sizes, or you can get miniature little sizes. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please make sure the notification bell is on before you leave, and let's get straight into the video. So I haven't opened my glossy box yet because it came today in the post. So this is what the packaging looks like. I love the box. It says a glossy box with the symbol, well, the logo here, and it's the first time opening it, so let's open it up. I have had a sneak preview of the leaflet already. So this is what the, without trying to for all of it to fall out, this is what the inside of it looks like so far, with the ribbon and the leaflet. So I'm just going to take the leaflet out. And this is called Pretty Pleasures Glossy Box. And this is what it looks like. And I'll read it as I go through the products in a minute. And this, I love how they go with a really nice colour coded. So they colour code the box, like the inside of the box, like the packaging, like this with the black and the pink. And they do it on the inside as well, which I think is really cute. And I love this ribbon as well. It makes it all look neat and tidy, and I can't wait to see what's in it. So let's open it up. See, nice and carefully does it. And then I'm just going to try not to rip the tissue paper. I'll try not to do it without ripping anything. I ripped a little bit off the sticker, which looks like that. So just going to open it up. And this is so cute. Oh my god, I'm going to die. So this is what the inside looks like with all of the products. And I love the little black flippery, whatever they call it. Like, it's not like tissue paper, it's like confetti sort of weird stuff. But I find it so cute. So lush. So there's 5 products which I am going to go through with all of you today. So it also, right, so I can read it all out to you. So it says, hey glossies, this time of year is by far the prettiest. The days are getting warmer and the flowers are beginning to bloom. Everywhere you look, there's an array of beautiful pastel colours, and that includes in this month's box. Not only would the products inside this box make you look and feel fabulous, they'll also look perfectly pleasing sitting on your bathroom shelf. Love the team Glossy Box. So I'm going to go through the 5 products from the leaflet and tell you all on, well, tell you all my reviews really, because it's my first box. I'm so excited. So let's get straight to it. So I'm just going to pick up the first thing that I see, which is the Satin Soft Blurring Primer and Finishing Fix from Figs and Rouge. Oh, it's called Ultra Prime. Oh my god, look at that packaging. Look how cute it is. I can't get over how cute that is. And it goes similar with the box as well, especially the pink. I reckon a pink goes with the box. And I love the gold writing on it as well, which I think is so cute. So this is Satin Soft Blurring Primer and Finishing Fix. Designed to blur and minimize shine, this wonder-working primer will keep your skin fresh and flawless. A unique pore maximizing and anti-blemish properties. Skin impurities and breakouts are also reduced. Key ingredients include some other bits, I don't know what it is, which perfectly plumps and maintains moisture, as well as marshmallow root and Arctic cloudberry extracts, which keep skin energized. So this is so gonna be good for my bad spots and my bad skin. So I cannot wait to test this out in like a makeup video or something like that. That'll be good. The RRP is £38 for this. 38 quid for just this is absolutely mad to think that when you can get a box for £11 a month is crazy. To think that you get £75 worth of product. Oh my god, I really want to smell this now. Let's have a smell. Oh, that smells really nice. Oh yeah, I love that. Now that's a lovely smell. Right, let's go straight on to the next product. I'm so excited. I've never done one of these before. I'm going to blab on so much in this video. So the next product is by Nails Inc. And this is a full size. It's called Palace Gardens Nail Polish. Oh, that's such a pretty colour. Look at that pretty colour. That's so pretty. Cannot wait to try that out. So this is this super glossy long-lasting, intense colour will look perfectly pretty on your nails. This polish also has a new expertly designed brush, which is exclusive to Nails Inc. And this ensures your polish is applied easily and will always create a flawless finish, which I love about my nails because my nails desperately need to paint. The RRP is £11 for this nail polish, which I normally pay about 7-8 quid for my nail polishes, but that's shellac. But that is so pretty, and it says on the bottle, "Be your incredible self with Nails Inc. London." It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. So my next product is number 3, and we have the Butonic Beauty full size nourishing mascara. Oh wow, I love the packaging of that. It's so pretty. I love it. It's so pretty. So I'm going to read it and then we're going to have a look at it. It's intensely voluming. This nourishing mascara thickens, lightens and adds curl for bigger, fuller looking lashes. Rich in conditioning ingredients, including caramella and almond oil. Oh, that's interesting. This mascara also works to strengthen and maximise the length of your lashes. The oversized brush is designed to grip and coat each and every lash from root to tip. And the RRP is £15.50, which is absolutely crazy. So let's go into the box. Oh, that's so cute. Now that is what you call a mascara. I love the packaging. It's blue. I love this turquoise blue. It's my favourite colour ever. So I'm just going to open it up. Oh wow, that looks so good for a brush as well. I cannot wait to try this out in a... Oh, got my fucking mascara. Oh, mascara on myself, silly Billy. So that's the third. Oh, but put that down. It's not ruin my new products. Right, the next product we have got is the So Ego Complexion Sponge Beauty Blender. So Eco's complexion sponge evenly blends makeup for a flawless, enhanced finish. Ultra soft, flake resistant and long lasting. The sponge works both damp and dry, expanding with water to make blending effortless. Perfect for all face makeup. A pointed tip is ideal for concealer and smaller areas around the eye, whilst the sides are designed for applying foundation and blush. So Eco also does its bit for the environment, planting one tree for every 100 products sold. That is so interesting. That is actually really interesting. I never knew that about most products. The RRP is £6, so you can't go wrong for £6 for a beauty blender. So we'll see what colour I've got. I think I've got green. Oh, it looks like it's green anyway. Let's try and open it without breaking the box, like I normally do with most products. Oh, a little bit. Oh my god. Oh, that's so soft. Yeah. That is like so soft. Look at the texture. Oh my god. Yes. That is so worth it. And we're on the last product. Oh, I'm gonna cry. So the last product is the Percy Reed Deluxe Mini Reassuringly Firm Session Hold Hairspray. Right, let's see if the light will. There you go. Wow, absolutely love that. Yes, that's so nice. I wonder if it smells like it. Oh, it's hairspray, so definitely have to give that a shot when I do my hair. So, this, for a satisfyingly flexible yet reassuringly firm hold, this hairspray will become your go-to, styling without any thickness. Frizz really is no match. This magic marvel also includes heat protection, meaning you can apply before using heat tools to set your style. Your hair will look utterly natural and be impeccably well behaved from dawn to dusk. So the Deluxe Mini, which is what I've got, is 50 millilitres and it's worth £6. But if you get the full size 250 millilitres, the RRP is £12.50. So I am so chuffed with all of my products that I've got today. It's just amazing. Absolutely amazing for what you can get for the money. I must admit, I'm definitely going to be looking forward to my next box. And also on the back of this leaflet it says April sneak peek. So obviously we've got March, so April is just right around the corner. It's just like a week away this weekend. So I cannot wait for my glossy box. Well, my next one anyway. For next month, it says next month we're boxing up the very best of spring. The fresh morning air and the birds singing amongst the blossom. You'll find that very feeling inside our April woke up in spring glossy box. Inside this box you'll also discover a gorgeous eyeshadow palette from the new brand Sophia plus Marbelle. That is exciting. I cannot wait. So I hope you all enjoyed today's glossy box review. If you would like to see me test out any of the products that I got in today's video, please let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see me do with the products. If you think about like a routine, like a makeup routine sort of thing I can do, or a new makeup look with it all, just let me know and I will come up with something. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please make sure the notification bell is on before you leave, and I'll see you all soon for another video. Love to you all. Bye guys.
All you wanted me, nothing more, but you gotta be poor. But